On March 16, 2025, former President Trump made a big decision. He decided to send many people out of the United States. These people were accused of being in gangs. The gangs were Tren de Aragua from Venezuela and MS-13. Trump sent these alleged gang members to El Salvador. El Salvador is a country in Central America. Many people were surprised by Trump's decision. Some people agreed with him. Others thought it was wrong. This was a big story in the news. People all over the world were talking about it. Some people were worried about what would happen to the people sent to El Salvador. Trump used old laws to send the alleged gang members away. One law was the Alien Enemies Act. This law was from 1798. It was made for a time when America was at war. The other law was Title VIII. This law is about immigration. Trump said these laws allowed him to deport people quickly. He said the alleged gang members were dangerous. He said they were a threat to America's safety. Not everyone agreed with Trump's use of these laws. Some people thought it was wrong to use the Alien Enemies Act. They said it was an outdated law. They said it shouldn't be used today. They also questioned if the alleged gang members really posed such a big threat. A judge tried to stop Trump from sending the alleged gang members away. The judge's name was James E. Boasberg. He worked in a court in Washington, D.C. He said Trump couldn't use the Alien Enemies Act. The judge said Trump was using the law incorrectly. He ordered Trump to bring the alleged gang members back to the U.S. However, it was too late. Trump had already sent the alleged gang members to El Salvador. The planes were already in the air. Trump's people said the judge's order didn't matter. They said the judge had no power once the planes left U.S. airspace. They said the deportations were legal and necessary. This made a lot of people angry. They thought Trump was ignoring the judge. People in El Salvador and around the world had strong reactions to Trump's decision. El Salvador's president agreed to take the alleged gang members. His name is Nayib Bukele. He said he would keep them in a special prison. It's called the Terrorism Confinement Center. Many people were worried about this prison. They said it was dangerous and overcrowded. Human rights groups were very concerned. They said the alleged gang members deserved a fair trial. They said Trump was violating their rights. Venezuela was also upset. They said using the Alien Enemies Act was wrong. They compared it to terrible things that happened in the past. They demanded their citizens be treated fairly. This whole situation caused a lot of tension between countries.